Here, the fiscal year SEC enforcement report. Well, it's ready. Agency brought significant actions in traditional and emerging areas. Whistleblower programs surpassed $1 billion in awards. So yeah, it's all, a gimmick, right? So these whistleblowers come out, they whistleblow, they get paid to basically whistleblow on their own company or on some kind of knowledge they have of manipulation. Then what do? They take that information to the SEC. The SEC gets that information for free, and then they take the fraud, and at the end of the day, what happens? The SEC charges the individual firms, no jail time, the SEC gets a paycheck, and the crime continues. So good job, Gary. You're enabling crime to continue. Congratulations. In fiscal year 2021, the SEC filed noteworthy enforcement actions across new areas, including a number of first-of-their-kind actions involving securities using decentralized finance or DeFi technology, charging securities law violations on the dark web, enforcing a key rule on duties of municipal advisors involving regulation crowdfunding, charging an alternative data provider with securities fraud, involving failures to timely file and deliver Form CRS, against an order and execution management system provider that facilitated electronic trading for the failing to register as a broker-dealer, a case charging General Electric, a case charging Kraft Heinz, a case against TIAA CREF, an action against China-based Luckin Coffee, a case charging Robinhood Financial with misleading customers about its compensation for routing customer orders, an action charging 3 media companies with illegal offerings of stock and digital assets, a litigated case charging AT&T and 3 investor relations executives with selectively providing information to Wall Street analysts. I mean, but where's the jail time, man? Let me Control F, jail. Control F, jail. Jail. Phrase not found. So until you put someone in jail, I don't think anyone cares, because all you've done is pay criminals to continue committing crime. So congratulations. Nothing to see here.